wil beef, krijg beef op tijd. Ze wil een spin, kan ze beef op tijd. Kom in de gong en is beef op tijd, op tijd, op tijd. Uit tijd, uit tijd. Als ze wil beef, krijg beef op tijd. Ze wil een spin, kan ze beef op tijd. Kom in de...
Yo, it's D-Rock, D-Rock the GOAT, bruh. Place goals to remove the procrastinator, betraying you to put aside your passion. You're on the same page of life's book, pick up the paint, beat the brighter picture. That specific chapter could possibly change your entire story plot. Just be patient and pay attention, there's no need to pull a pistol, pussy promise every prayer's gonna push you. Leave plenty of room for improvements of people. Yo, it's D-Rock, D-Rock the GOAT, bruh. Your favorite white boy reactor from the bio. What's good, familia? If you're new to the channel, if you're new to the For the Books reactions, turn that notifications on and subscribe to the channel and like that video if you haven't already, because I know you haven't. I know you new here watching this, so subscribe to the channel, because yeah, we're gonna be coming up with more bangers. And today on the radio we got no one other than Ziggy. Apparently Ziggy is confirmed the Pop Smoke from Cape Town, so
this bullshit! This all bullshit!
I'm not gonna say anything about that. You guys decide in the comments. Do you think this man is the Pop Smoke of Cape Town? And we got no one other than Luda G with High Tate. Ziggy and Luda G High Tate. I'ma be honest, ne? I'm not a fan of Ziggy and I'm not a fan of Luda. So this is going to be an interesting one to check out, because I'm not a fan of these Owens. I don't listen to these Owens at all. So the fact that they're both on a track together just means that I have to check it out and I have to listen to it, because this is like a sign, because I don't listen to these Owens now. They both on a track together, so that's just like a sign from God saying that, nah, give them a chance to react to them. React to these Owens and see what you say, because they just got onto a track together. I don't know if this is a calling or anything, but I think it is.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
So yo, I'm gonna check this one out today and see what I think, if this is a certified banger or not. Because you know, me and Drill is not together, we separated like Spock's fingers, me and Drill.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Here's me and here's Drill numbers. Oh wait, but yo,
oh, brother, this guy stinks!
without further ado, let's check out Luda G and Ziggy High Tate. Okay. I don't listen to these Owens, but from what I'm liking on the video, I like how they keep the community in the background, the way that they like introduce the proper side of Cape Town, the heart of Cape Town that no one wants to expose to like the media and shit. They showing it in the background. That is like old school shit to me, and I fuck with that. Because if you guys listen to old school music, you'll see they always put their hoodie in the background. Always put their hoodie into the background. Their community.
Jaren, uit dit was ik, doe me een dappie. Hoor de vannacht af stof ze lappie. En Debo en Rino was vol van mijn body. Hoor ze het sinds maar die werkelijk funny. Die product is op, maar die pak like fladdy.
We were gonna change. We changed because the work looked funny. We had to change because the work looked funny. I'm not gonna say what work it was, but sometimes when you get into certain jobs, then you have to take down that like soft, nice person of you and become this hard fucking motherfucker, this rock motherfucker, you know, because you can't be a soft person in the job that he is taking on, you know.
Dat weer get the outcomes money. Ik het gezien, ze wijze gestudy. CSI take this beef and money. I take. Als ze wil beef, krijg beef op tijd. Ze wil een spin, kan ze beef op tijd. Kom in de gong en is beef op tijd, op tijd. I take.
Okay, I don't know what the push is this song about, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm liking this chorus of this thing. I take. I'm not gonna lie, I'm liking this chorus. I don't like this Owen still. But I'm liking this chorus, so I might get surprised on this track. I might just change my mind about Ziggy and Luda.
Money,
I changed and I told him go study.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
As a little beef, krijg beef op tijd. Ze willen spin, kan ze beef op tijd. Kom in de gongel, is beef op tijd. Op tijd. Hij tijd. As a little beef, krijg beef op tijd. Ze willen spin, kan ze beef op tijd. Kom in de gongel, is beef op tijd. Op tijd. Hij tijd. As a little beef, krijg beef op tijd. Ze willen spin, kan ze beef op tijd. Kom in de gongel, is beef op tijd. Op tijd. Hij tijd. As a little beef, krijg beef op tijd. Ze willen spin, kan ze beef op tijd. Kom in de gongel, is beef op tijd. Op tijd. Horse involved, gets in all, causes for. Horses, wolves.
Damn!
Niks aan maar.
Oh, I'm not gonna lie, I'm liking this rhyme scheme here, bro. I'm liking this rhyme scheme here. This man's pen game just needs to improve a bit, man. I feel like this man's got potential to actually be one of the biggest artists, even though he's been doing numbers and shit. But I feel like if he just upped his pen game a bit and he's like storytelling, man, into a more positive way, I feel that he would actually get way bigger than he's supposed to, way bigger than he actually is.
Niks van los, fokkel af, just zonne. Weet zij niks, steeds met die tonne. Weet zij alles op met nou konne. Weet zij daar niet vast mee.
Nothing's changed with the dollar. I will never change for money. Nothing will ever change for money. I will never change myself or change the person I am because of money.
Hoe ze maar dagen niet aan die en onne. Weet zij dollar met mijn wonnen. Ben ik voorbij kan maken ze nummer perform.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Ik had live willen watsen niet drongen. Weet zij, dit was ik, Tommy en Dappie. Hoor ze de vannacht af stof ze lappie. En Debo en Rino was vol van mijn body. Hoor ze het sinds maar die werkelijk funny. Die product is op maar die pak.
All you Cape Townians, let me ask something. What is lappy? What does he mean by lappy? Because a lappy I know is a washcloth that you use like a scrub rag. Now I know it's not the same lappy,
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
but what does he mean by lappy though?
Ik fladdy, zal ik het weer, get the outcomes money. Ik het gezien, ze wijzige study. CSI tijd is beef in money. Hij tijd. Als ze wil beef, krijg beef op tijd. Ze wil een spin, kan ze beef op tijd. Kom in de gongel, is beef op tijd. Op tijd. Hij tijd. Als ze wil beef, krijg beef op tijd. Ze wil een spin, kan ze beef op tijd. Kom in de gongel, is beef op tijd. Op tijd. Hij tijd. Als ze wil beef, krijg beef op tijd. Ze wil een spin, kan ze beef op tijd. Kom in de gongel, is beef op tijd.
2,000 years later.
Oh, I must say these visuals are crazy. Whoever shot this thing, whoever did the visuals on this thing, nah, you guys need a award of your own, bro. Your own fucking award with your own name on it and your own category and everything, so much. Because these visuals are insane, it's here. I'm liking how this thing is transitioning to all these different scenes so smoothly and so nicely. It's not like all meshed up all together. It's not all together meshed up. It's just perfectly done, bro. I must say that. I must admit that.
As a little beef, krijg beef op tijd. Ze wil een spin, kan ze beef op tijd. Kom in de gongel, is beef op tijd. Op tijd. Hij tijd. As a little beef, krijg beef op tijd. Ze wil een spin, kan ze beef op tijd.
Can you tell the time?
Yes. I am not fucking drunk.
Kom in de gongel, is beef op tijd. Op tijd. Hij tijd. As a little beef, krijg beef op tijd. Ze wil een spin, kan ze beef op tijd. Kom in de gongel, is beef op tijd.
Okay, now Luda G is coming onto the table. Let's see if this man can actually surprise me. If this man can change my opinions about him and make me want to listen to this man more. Because you know most, I'm not a Ziggy or a Luda G fan. So let's see if this man can actually change my opinion on him and make me want to listen to this man more often. Because you know me, I'm an old school fan. I listen to San, Jimmy G, the G5, Dirty Youngsters, and Junant and Jackie and all those Cream Machine, Plain Devil, those OG rappers. You know those OGs from way back in the day, Barsi Rhymes and the other Barsi. Yo, guys, if I had to go on my bro, Deathcore. Yo, if you guys don't know Deathcore, you guys are living under a rock. But yo, some OGs from back in the day, Kiddo Black, Shadow in the house. Do you guys remember Shadow? Sis, that was like my favorite English rapper from back in the day. Ik say that man in Jommel's Besem. Because I've heard a track or two of that man rapping English. So I can consider him my favorite English rapper. But yo, let's see if Luda G can actually surprise me on this one. On High Tide with Ziggy. And let me know in the comments, who do you think went harder on this track, Ziggy or Luda G? Because I know everyone watching this is either a Luda G fan or a Ziggy fan. Even the people that watch my other reactions, I know you guys are secretly a Ziggy or a Luda G fan.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Or both? So y'all let me know, who do you think went harder on here? Okay, here he comes.
As er wil beef, krijg beef op tape. Je wil een spin, kan je beef op tape. Kom in de gong en is beef op tape. Beef op tape.
Ako maar met wonder uit net om te skiet hulle hoor as ek vloei. Ziggy go uit net toe die
That time, all my shooters come out when they know that I'm coming. All my shooters, all my people, they come out when they know I'm coming down, when they hear me driving.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Because they know this man's car. So when this man's coming, they all know this man. They know to come out. The boss is back. But why do you need shooters if you are a rapper? You don't need to be a gangster if you're a rapper. Because you're going to make your money from rapping. That's what I don't understand with these youngsters, ne? No disrespect to Luda G or Ziggy or any other artist out there. But my thing is, ne, why do you want to be a gangster when you become a rapper? Because a lot of the rappers, ne, they think that gangsterism is cool. And they think it's like the in thing. Everyone is being a gangster. Everyone's doing gangsterism and shit. So let me join in it so I can be in that culture when I start rapping and with my music and stuff. Now, my question is, why do you need to do those crimes and do the gangster shit, ne? If you're a rapper and you're making music from your rapping and from your art and your skill and shit. You don't need to do that type of shit that gangsters do if you're making honest money from doing honest shit that you love. It's just funny to me. It's like blinding. And I just
3 hours later.
wish more artists can see that gangsterism is not cool. It's not a cool thing to be gangsters. It's not a cool thing at all. Actually, you just fucking up your own life and you're putting your family's life in jeopardy by becoming a gangster. And I know a lot of artists were gangsters and had to become gangsters to survive because there was no jobs and stuff back in the day. But those artists I understand because there's no way out of the gangsterism once you're in it. But I understand though on that side of the pot. But these Owens that's coming up, they want to become gangsters because they think it's cool because all the OGs are and stuff. Nah, bro, it's fuck all cool.
Ek doen so baie soos almal my kies word gekalkuleer en ek het so baie rippers al vry gerip dat die rippers begin met 'n huid.
Okay, that was a bar. I must say that was a bar. He was rapping so hectic and all of this shit, and he made all the other rappers frick with his rapping, bro. He put all the other rappers to shame in CBT and all of the shit that he was rapping on, all the verses that he did for artists and stuff, and they started hating him. The other artists started hating him because he was too good for them, too good on their track, or too good as a rapper, my bro. Sis, imagine you rap so good, ne? Everyone starts to hate you. I told in most of my videos, I say this: if you don't attract haters with what you're doing in your career, in your path that you've chosen, if you don't attract haters and people that are gonna hate on you for your skill and because you're so good and stuff, then you are doing something wrong, because people only hate when they can't be what you are being or pursuing what you're pursuing, and they start hating it and trying to dim your shine because they not jealous on your shine. Away, if that makes sense. Away.
Dis
fucking guy. I make her suck on the regular. This fucking guy. This guy. Oh yes, I'm in the booth even work on the cannabis. Yo, Luda G, if I ever see you in person, if we ever link up or something, I have one question for you. I don't know if you're watching this or what, but I want to test you on this thing, man. I have to test you on the Vietnam killer, bro. If you think that you can smoke weed, Benjamin, I'm testing you also, bro. I want you on this challenge because I know I'm gonna smoke you frack like Luda Jesus. I'm gonna rap you frack. I'm gonna smoke you frack, bro. All of you that are watching this, I'm gonna smoke you frack.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
So if you guys wanna actually come and participate, use from PE that are watching this, there's a link in my description below for the Cake Vir Rhyme, aka the Bekkerveg battle raps and ciphers. I'm going to pull up with my Vietnam killer to test out every single person's lungs at that venue that wants to smoke weed and wants to smoke proper weed. Come through, buy your tickets, only $50, and come join me on the challenge, man. Let's see what you can do. Let's see if you can be put up to the test and actually make it through to the night. If you will survive the whole night and we don't have to carry you home or anything.
Ik doe me een dappie, hoor de vanaf af stof ze lappie. En die boy en Rino was volg my body. Hoor ze het sinds maar die werk like funny. Die product is op, maar die pak like fladdy. Zal ik het werk, get die outcomes money. Ik het gezien, ze wijze gestudy. Steeds hij take this beef and money. Hij take. Als ze wil beef, krijg beef op tijd. Ze wil een spin, kan ze beef op tijd. Kom in de gongel, is beef op tijd. Hij take. Als ze wil beef, krijg beef op tijd. Ze wil een spin, kan ze beef op tijd. Kom in de gongel, is beef op tijd. Hij take. Als ze wil beef, krijg beef op tijd. Ze wil een spin, kan ze beef op tijd. Kom in de gongel, is beef op tijd. Hij take. Als ze wil beef, krijg beef op tijd. Ze wil een spin, kan ze beef op tijd. Kom in de gongel, is beef op tijd.
I won't lie, man. I don't like Ziggy and I don't like Luda G still. But this track was aight. This track was aight. Wasn't the best I've ever heard of these two. It's not the worst I've ever heard of these two. I like their flows, man. I fuck with their flows on this. They really executed this beat properly with their flows and the way that they like went into the track, man. But the one thing they just messed up is their writing, bro, their lyrics. I feel like they could have worked a bit harder on perfecting lyrics and perfecting the way they structure their bars and put their bars together. I fuck with what they saying on here, ne? But man, I feel like they could have came in harder, ek sê. Don't attack me or hate me or unsubscribe now because I said that about your favorite rapper now. Because I know a lot of you guys, a lot of you Owens, like love Luda G and stuff with your favorite rapper and shit, but nah. Feel like he could have went way harder in this stuff. Me, one thing must know if you're watching this channel, ne, I'ma always keep it real with what I hear and what when I listen to a track. If I don't like this track, I'm gonna tell you I don't like this track. I'm not going to sugarcoat anything and just like say that I like this track for you guys so you guys can support me more and all of that. I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. If I don't like this, bro, or I don't like this track, I'm gonna be honest, I don't like this track. And then, this thing, I don't know if this I can consider a certified banger. I don't know if this is a certified banger for the books. So I'm gonna leave that up to you guys in the comments to let me know. Do you think this is a certified banger for the books or not? It's all up to you. It's all on you. What do you think? But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this reaction, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel to join the For the Books familia. We're going to be dropping way more bangers for the books, way more heat is on its way. We got interviews, podcasts, we got vlogs, we got everything that's coming. Just stay tuned and be updated because it's not just going to be reactions dropping on this page. I'm going to be dropping way more things and way more culturable things, way more culturable videos and stuff for the culture of PE hip hop and for SA hip hop as a whole. So just stay tuned for that because we got some interesting, exciting shit on the way. But yo, like I said, subscribe to the channel, like the video, turn those notifications on if you haven't already. And all of you that are watching this, all you artists out there, all my fellow artists out there, they want me to do a reaction out on the music video audio that's out on YouTube. Please join the WhatsApp group that's in my description below and just plug every single link that you can, man. Spam those latest links of yours and then I'll gladly react to it, do a reaction to it. You know, that doesn't bother me doing a reaction to it because support should be free in this world. We don't need to pay one another just to support each other because that is cuck fake, bro. Like I said in the previous video that's going to get uploaded, that's cuck fake. That's cuck fake. But yeah, there was another one with D-Dog, Ziggy, and Luda G. I take. Let me know in the comments. Do you think this is a banger for the books? Is this a banger for the books? But yeah, I'm gonna check in the next one. It was D-Dog, the GOAT.